I lack empathy. There are a lot of things I don't care about. I'm not vegan, therefore I am evil.
That's right, Leah. People who hurt animals are evil. We have all kinds of sensory pleasures. We can see, we can hear, and we can taste, for example. Some people hurt animals just because they like to see them bleed to death. Some people hurt animals just because they like to hear them scream in agony. Other people, like you, like to hurt animals because you like the way that they taste. There's no difference between all of you. We have no right to hurt innocent animals just for our taste pleasure or for any other reason. Let the animals live. They've never done a single thing wrong to you. Be vegan from now on.
How do you expect me to be kind?
You can be kind by singing this song. Why love a kitten but eat a chicken when you can just eat rice, beans, and tofu? Why love a kitten but eat a chicken? What does your heart tell you to do?
How do you expect me to be kind? I lack empathy. There are a lot of things I don't care about.
SS Sniper Wolf. It is normal to cry when we see animal abuse. It's normal to speak out and to share their stories. What's not normal is to do what you're doing, to keep telling the world that you're going to keep hurting them, paying for their rape, their torture, their confinement, their terror, and their murder. I suggest that you might want to see a therapist because it sounds like you have the traits of a psychopath.
How do you expect me to be kind?
You can be kind by singing this song. Why love a dog but eat a cow when you can just eat rice, beans, and tofu? Why love a dog but eat a cow? What does your heart tell you to do?
I'm not vegan, therefore I am evil. How do you expect me to be kind?
You can be kind by beginning to not steal from animals. Don't steal their milk, their honey, or their eggs. Don't steal animals' lives.
How do you expect me to be kind?
You can be kind by singing this song. Why love a dog but eat a pig when you can just eat rice, beans, and tofu? Why love a dog but eat a pig? What does your heart tell you to do?
I'm not vegan, therefore I am evil.
Animals matter morally. They're not objects to be used by us. Animals are here with us, not for us.
I'm not vegan, therefore I am evil.
That's right. It's wrong to make money by exploiting innocent animals. On your channel, Leah, every time you show the dead body of an animal, whether it be in the form of what you call food or in the form of some sort of clothing like leather, you are exploiting these animals to make money on your channel. If you want to be a kind person, you must stop doing this. Never show dead bodies on your channel. Every time you show food in the form of a dead body, you must say, this is wrong, this is evil, this is cruel.
I lack empathy. There are a lot of things I don't care about. How do you expect me to be kind?
If you want to start being kind to animals, it's easy. Ask yourself this question. Do you think it's okay to pay people to rape, torture, and murder animals? Because this is what they do in the meat industry, the dairy industry, the egg industry, the wool industry, the leather industry. If you think it's wrong to hurt animals, then stop paying for it.
How do you expect me to be kind?
You can start by learning this song. Plants don't feel pain, they don't have a brain, they don't have a nervous system, so it's okay to bite into them. You have a heart, you know where to start. Share this song and be vegan from now on.
How do you expect me to be kind?
To be kind to animals, you can learn the true definition of veganism. Veganism is a philosophy and a way of living which seeks to exclude, as far as is possible and practicable, all forms of exploitation of and cruelty to animals for food, clothing, or any other purpose, and by extension promotes the development and use of animal-free alternatives for the benefit of animals, humans, and the environment.
How do you expect me to be kind? I'm not vegan, therefore I am evil.
One thing you can do is to hug a vegan instead of being cruel to them. You can also learn to love vegetables. They didn't have to die for you. And you can Google vegan athletes or make a smoothie. You can also make sure to eat beans instead of bacon.
How do you expect me to be kind?
To be kind, you can tell your audience to watch this important documentary. Simply go to don'twatch.org. Don'twatch.org. You can also show this documentary on your channel. It's only 6 minutes long. Watch it, the whole thing, with your audience. Show them what really happens, Leah. Tell them the truth, so they can make an informed decision going forward about whether they want to be like you and hurt animals, or they want to be like that vegan teacher and help to save them.
I lack empathy. There are a lot of things I don't care about. How do you expect me to be kind?
You take the time to look at animals, to see how they're the same as us. They are sentient. They want to be loved, protected. They want to be with their families. They want to be free out in the open air. Animals are here with us, not for us. We have no right to hurt them, eat them, wear them, exploit them, or use them for entertainment. Just look at them. Really look at them.
Yeah, good fish, yeah. Good fish.
Imagine yourself being in their place and being a victim of so much hurt, so much sadness, so much violence, when instead you could be part of being in their lives as someone who gives them love, protection, someone who saves them. A compassionate world begins with you. It takes 100 clicks to become vegan. Each click is like a light bulb moment. It has to hit your head and your heart. Leah has a long way to go, but many of you, thankfully, are well on your way to becoming vegan. Thank you for being here. Thank you for subscribing to this channel. Press the notification bell and help me get these animals out of hell. Thank you.